In each valley between adjacent tooth flanks, a rounded curve is fitted. This is called the fillet curve. The purpose of this curve is to connect the two adjacent tooth flanks while providing enough clearance for the tooth tips on the opposing gear to roll through. Any excess in the tooth tips will be trimmed off in step 4, so there is no need to scrutinize each tooth for intersections. But if you don't provide enough clearance, too much length will be sheared off in that step. Therefore, you can adjust the depth of this fillet curve with the fillet proportion variable. The depth is specified as a proportion of the fillet curve width, where the width is the dimension spanning the base of the tooth flanks. A fillet proportion of 0.75, for instance, will mean the fillet curve will be 75% as deep as it is wide. The default fillet proportion is 0.5, half as tall as it is wide. Fillet proportion is not a shared variable. You are free to adjust the fillet curves of each gear separately using distinct proportions. Like all variable curves, you can vary these proportions continuously to find values that are locally optimal. The proportion is sampled by evaluating your variable curve at the flank intersections and then averaging the two values.